Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring access and permissions. Log into your assistant platform and enable 2FA so nothing blocks you later. Once done, decide cloud versus local based on privacy needs and integrations with calendar, email, or CRM. Make sure to collect API keys, templates, sample prompts, and any permission scopes required by connected apps. Then test a simple query to confirm connectivity and that responses are returned. This first validation saves time during configuration. You now configure the assistant's logic. Define intents, slots, and entity extraction so user inputs map to actions reliably. Next, integrate external services, calendar, email, document storage, messaging, and map triggers and webhooks to the assistant's events. Make prompt templates for common tasks and establish a versioned iteration plan so you can refine responses. While testing, simulate edge cases and measure failures. Tracking these lets you improve accuracy and keep behavior predictable under varied inputs. You deploy first to staging, validate end-to-end flows, then roll out to production behind feature flags so you can disable changes instantly if needed. Monitor logs, latency, and user feedback closely. Set alerts for elevated error rates or slow responses and track usage patterns. If something breaks, reset API tokens, replay request logs to reproduce the issue, and use your version control to roll back to a previous stable build. One key tip: check permission scopes and expired credentials first. That fixes many silent failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.